ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਪੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪੀਤਾ, ਇਸ਼ਕ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਦਿਲ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ ਆਸ ਰੱਖੀ ਵੇ ਬੁੱਲਿਆ, ਇਸ਼ਕ ਵੀ ਲਾਲਚ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ।
And honestly, that sounds so good in books, but in real life, things don't work like that. Because when you love someone, you also expect the same love in return. You also want them to do things for you out of love. And yeah, I know some people will say, oh, that's selfish, but that's how it is. Because वो जो बातें हैं ना, वो just पार से पार की बातें हैं. But in real life, things don't work like that. Because if I'm giving my 100%, I also expect same in return. Because you choose to add someone into your life, and if that person is not bringing anything into your life, if that person is not adding anything into your life, what's the point? If that person is not making you happy, if that person is not making you feel good about yourself, what's the point? So effort is a choice. People can say a lot, but if their words are not matching with their actions, don't believe them. Because when I want to do something for someone, I did it. There is nothing like making excuses. There is nothing like, oh, I didn't get time, or I didn't know that you like this. No, I always show up for people I care. And nowadays people are so obsessed with if they want, they will. Because in relationships, friendships, connections, things work from both sides. If you want someone in your life, you also have to show up for them. It's not like, oh, if they want me, they will do everything. No, because if there are zero effort from your side, that person is not gonna be with you. And I think they don't have to, because effort is contagious. When someone sees you try, they try too. And people used to send letters to their loved ones from wars. And nowadays people are making excuses that they don't getting time. But effort is the most attractive thing that you can do for someone else. The effort when you continuously choose to be with that person. The effort when you show up for them again and again. Because at the end of the day, love is not just emotions, it's choice. It's choice to show up for that person. It's choice to choose that person every single day. That's how things work. Because if you are focusing too much on your emotions, emotions will change. There are gonna be some days when things just don't feel excited as they were feeling back in days. Then what would you do on those days? Will you leave that person just because you are feeling bored? Just because you are not feeling that excitement?